graphic representation of moving in straight line. Why we use graphs? We use graphs to predict the relation between the physical quantities and understand the practical result or describe the physical phenomenon easily. Graphic representation of regular speed. We have two graphs to describe the uniform speed or regular speed. If the relation between distance and time, so it represents as a straight line passing through the origin point. If I ask you, give reason, because the distance is directly proportional with the time. Distance and the time has a direct proportion. Okay, and the relation between speed and time represent as a straight line parallel to the time axis. Okay, give reason, because the object speed is constant as the time passes. So if the relation between distance and time and it's presented as a straight line parallel to the time axis is called this object at a rest. Object move with non-uniform speed. So the relation between distance and the time, but it represented as a curved line passing through the origin point. Curved line passing through the origin point. And acceleration, it is the change of an object speed in 1 second in a specific direction, because as we tell in the third lesson, it is a vector quantity. So it must be divided as a direction. We need to describe it a direction. Another definition to the acceleration, it is the rate of change of the speed. So acceleration, sample A, equal delta V over delta T equal V2 minus V1, or final speed minus initial speed divided the time. Delta mean the change of the physical quantity. If the body is moving at regular speed, its acceleration equals 0. Why? Because the speed doesn't change. When the body moves from rest, this means that V1 equal 0. When the body stop, this means that the V2 equal 0. Types of uniform acceleration. We have two types of acceleration: positive acceleration and negative acceleration. Positive acceleration means the speed of the object increase. So V1 is smaller than V2 and represent as a straight line passing through the origin point. Okay, the opposite of this relation, it is the negative acceleration. Negative acceleration means the V2 decrease. So V1 is larger than V2 and represent as a straight line also. The definition of positive acceleration, it is the acceleration by which an object moves in a straight line when its speed increased by equal value through equal period of time. Again, positive acceleration, it is the acceleration by which an object moves in a straight line when its speed increased by equal value through equal period of time. Negative acceleration, it is an acceleration by which the object moves in a straight line also when its speed decrease. In the positive, increase, negative acceleration decrease by equal value through equal period of time. Okay, this is called positive acceleration or accelerating motion. Okay, and this is called negative acceleration or decelerating motion. Okay, and if the relation between speed and time is represented as a straight line parallel to the time axis, this is called that the body moves with uniform speed and its acceleration equal 0.